Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to reverse video in Capcut. Now if you already have the video you want to reverse in your project, you can simply tap on the project like this. But if you do not have, then what you do is tap on new project and pick the video you want to reverse. Tap on add. Highlight it by tapping on the video timeline like this. And at the bottom here you have some options, so you can see some options you're looking for. Reverse video, you can see relight, filter, overlay, max, extracts, motion blur. Then you can see reverse. This is reverse, so this is reverse. Tap on reverse. Play this video. Now this was the original video. Cancel reverse. So you can see, as simple as that. That is how